Are you a gamer or someone who loves amazing software deals? In this video, I'm going to show you how to unlock the best Kinguin coupons, promo codes, and discounts to help you save big on your favorite games, software, and digital products. Whether you're looking for a new game or trying to get a great deal on software, I've got you covered. Step 1. Start by visiting promosiver.net, the trusted website where you'll find the latest and most exclusive discount codes. I've made it easy for you by providing the link in the description and comments below this video. Just click and you're all set to start saving. Step 2. Browse through the available promo codes and select the best one for your purchase. Whether you need discounts on games, gift cards, or software licenses, you'll find the perfect code that fits your needs. The best part? It's quick and easy to choose the offer that saves you the most. Step 3. Once you've chosen your promo code, simply apply it during checkout when you're paying for your Kinguin purchase. Watch your total drop immediately as your discount is applied and enjoy the huge savings. Don't wait, watch the video, grab your coupon codes, and start saving today. Unlock unbeatable discounts, get your games and software for less, and enjoy the ultimate gaming experience. Start shopping smarter, not harder, and make every purchase count.